Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really exciting lined up for you, a full, in-depth look at the upcoming 2026 Audi A4. This isn't just another luxury sedan. Audi is stepping things up with a bold new approach in design, tech, and performance, and trust me, it shows in every detail. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 A4 looks sharper and more aggressive than ever. The grille is wider and bolder, the headlights are slimmer with a sleek LED signature, and the lines across the body are more sculpted, giving it a dynamic, athletic feel. Around the back, the connected taillights with a full-width light bar not only look modern but make the rear end pop, especially at night. It's a cleaner, sportier design that looks ready for the future while still feeling unmistakably Audi. Step inside and you're immediately surrounded by luxury and technology. The dashboard is dominated by a new curved display that merges the digital instrument cluster with the central infotainment system. It's super smooth, very responsive, and designed to reduce distractions while driving. The interior design is clean and minimal, with almost no physical buttons, everything is either touch or haptic based. You'll notice the quality right away, with soft touch materials, high-grade leather, and beautiful trims in metal or wood depending on the package you go for. The cabin feels premium, quiet, and incredibly comfortable. Performance-wise, the new A4 offers a great balance. It comes with a refined turbocharged engine that's paired with mild hybrid technology to boost fuel efficiency and reduce lag. For those looking for greener options, there's a plug-in hybrid version on the way too, with a solid electric-only range that should handle most daily commutes without using any gas. The handling is sharp and confident, and the suspension is tuned perfectly to give you both comfort and control whether you're in the city or on the highway. Audi's all-wheel drive system adds a layer of confidence, especially in tough weather conditions. Now let's talk safety and driver support. The 2026 A4 includes advanced features like adaptive cruise, lane assist, auto emergency braking, and even semi-autonomous driving on highways. These features work together smoothly and help reduce driver fatigue, making long drives much easier and safer. The sound insulation in this car is outstanding. Even at higher speeds, the cabin stays quiet and refined. And if you're into music, the optional premium audio system delivers clear, rich sound that turns the car into a mobile sound studio. Audi also paid attention to the small details, better climate controls, more useful storage, and seating comfort that supports long drives without fatigue. Although pricing hasn't been officially announced yet, it's expected to be slightly higher than the outgoing model due to all the upgrades. But with what you're getting, tech, design, performance, and comfort, it's shaping up to be a smart investment for those looking for a next-gen luxury sedan experience. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest, detailed car content, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More awesome reviews coming soon. See you in the next one.